Hey people, back again. So here's another boat. I'll zoom into it. I like these boats, they're quite cool. Looks like it's going to rain again. See? Looks like it's going to rain. A little bit of wind, not so much, not as much as earlier. But yeah. So yeah, it looks like it's going to rain. But yeah, that was a short video. So short video to show you that boat. But anyway, I'm going to go and have my dinner and relax. So hope you're having a good night, day, whatever. Yeah, please subscribe, comment, like if you like this video. Anyway, bye.